Got a second flight with my e-flite slow ultra stick this morning, and everything checks out perfectly this time. Just like last time, actually, no problems. I was just flying on a 2S 2200. This time I've got a 3S 2200. I got about 8.5 minutes almost on the prior flight, so I'm probably expecting about the same here. Let's get her up in the air. Takes off very nicely. Flying low and slow. Got a guy flying a drone in the other parking lot. I'm looking for a nice relaxed flight. This is definitely the great plane to do it. It's fun. Gives you just a fun flight. It's pretty relaxing. And the snow's starting to come back again. And I see that drone up in the air again. Fortunately, he's way over in the other parking lot. Let's see about a nice low flight. I've got a little adjustment still to make on the tail section. I think it's just crooked, just a little bit is what it looked like there, at least from the wing. It's much better inverted with 3S. I think it's a weight thing with the battery as well as the power. Wow, we got a lot of snow now. See about bringing her down for a pass from the other side. I'm going to add the flaps. slow it down. Give it some elevator and a little bit of power now. Well, I'm thankful for the orange and black on the wings and the black underneath, because with a all mostly white plane, that gets a little tougher to see with this snow. Right now, flying well. And I'm going to be, I think, bringing her down in about 3 more laps around the field. Do another loop in here.
Low battery, 3.5 volts.
And maybe I'll only do another loop. I'll come in for one more pass here.
Low battery, 3.5 volts.
And we'll go around and come in for a landing. Take off some power. And I'm going to add the flaps actually.
Flaps deck.
And then we'll bring her, oop. We'll land in the, maybe I'll do a touch and go. And bring it back around this way. Flaps popping it up with that wind. Yeah, I'm going to take them off real quick. Take it into the wind a little bit more, that would help. And set her down right there. Oop, little bounce. But there she is, my e-flite slow ultra stick on a 3S 2200 in a freezing cold day. Temperature is, let's see, 30 degrees. Great flying plane, very enjoyable. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.